Let me show you how to back up WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you have a bunch of messages, maybe even some of them have photos and videos, you can always back those up. I'll show you how to do it, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is actually exit out of the WhatsApp app. So let's swipe out of there. We need to make sure your iCloud is turned on and a few settings are enabled. So let's enter into the settings app here. Let me go back to the beginning. And then you're going to tap on your name at the very top. After you've tapped on your name, the first thing that we will check is iCloud midway down. We need to make sure you have enough storage and you've turned on WhatsApp backups. So let's tap on iCloud and then tap on storage. From here, you'll be able to see what I have used. Again, you probably need something like a couple hundred megabytes or even up to a gigabyte if you have lots of photos and messages in WhatsApp. If you don't have enough, you can always hit change storage plan and just buy more. Now, let's go back and assume you have enough. Let's tap on save to iCloud and hit see all. Let's scroll down to the bottom and make sure WhatsApp is turned on this list. So this will allow WhatsApp to be backed up to your iCloud on your iPhone, but it doesn't necessarily mean it is being backed up. To make sure it is being backed up, let's open up the WhatsApp app again, and then we'll tap on the settings option at the bottom right, and then chats. Now from here, there's an automatic chat backup or a manual chat backup. You can do either one. Tap on chat backup here, and the manual way to do it is hit backup now. However, you can also just tap on auto backup, and I usually like to set this to weekly. So every week it will back up everything to my iCloud on my iPhone in case I lose my phone. And then on here, of course, you can choose to include those videos depending on the size of the videos that will, of course, increase that backup size. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.